When you want to delete an app from your phone, you probably do what 99% of people do. You press and hold the icon, hit uninstall, watch it vanish from your screen, and assume it is completely gone. You are wrong. Welcome back to the Software Navigator. I'm Tony. Today, we are talking about the hidden digital trash piling up on your smartphone. When you simply hit uninstall, the app itself disappears, but the massive database folder it created deep inside your file manager stays behind permanently. Over time, these ghost folders completely choke your storage and slow down your processor. Today, I am going to show you the zero BS proper way to aggressively delete an app and wipe its hidden data from your system forever. Let's get into it. If you open your Android's native file manager right now and dig into your internal storage, you are going to see dozens, maybe hundreds of random folders. These don't just appear out of nowhere. Every time you install an app, it creates a dedicated folder to cache files, store settings, and build databases so the app loads faster. The problem is that Android's default uninstall button is lazy. It deletes the application shell, but leaves the heavy database folders behind to rot on your hard drive. Because I regularly audit my devices, whether I'm testing hardware in the studio or working remotely down here in Cancun, my file manager is spotless. Yours is probably a mess. Let's fix that. Here is the exact method you need to use from now on. Find an app you want to get rid of. Press and hold the icon, but do not hit uninstall. Instead, look for the small circle with an I inside, or tap the button labeled App Info. This takes you into the deep system settings for that specific application. Scroll down and tap on Storage, or Storage and Cache. Right here is where the magic happens. Look at the bottom of the screen, then tap Clear Data, or Clear Storage. A massive system warning will pop up telling you that all files, settings, accounts, and databases associated with this app will be permanently deleted. This is exactly what we want. Hit OK. You have just successfully vaporized the hidden database that normally gets left behind. Now that the app's cache is completely zeroed out, hit the back arrow. Now you can finally hit that uninstall button. By wiping the storage first and uninstalling second, you guarantee that absolutely zero junk files are left behind to clutter your file manager. Start using this two-step deep delete method every time you clean out your phone, and you will never get that annoying storage full warning again. But getting your storage space back is only half the battle if your phone is constantly dying halfway through the day and bombarding you with pop-ups. Right now, there are background processes actively bleeding your battery dry and tracking your data to serve you targeted advertisements. Click the video on your screen right now titled How to Stop These 3 Hidden Scanners Draining Your Battery and Showing Ads. I am going to walk you through the exact settings you need to toggle off to regain your battery life and block spam instantly. Click right there to optimize your phone. Make sure you are subscribed to the Software Navigator, and I'll see you over in that video. If this quick system hack saved you some gigabytes today, do me a massive favor and smash that like button to help push this video into the algorithm. Drop a comment below and let me know how many random folders you found lurking in your file manager.